Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is hey, what? I put my background as basil cardstock. And the next few layouts are our time, our Thanksgiving, and that's my brother-in-law with his friend. This is when we were eating my Thanksgiving meal. So anyway, so the black and white pattern, of course, is scrapbooked over from a past kit. I don't have let me see, I used that same pattern. Yeah, I didn't have the branding strip for that one either. But the plaid layer is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. And the title is American Craft Second Avenue Stickers. They're phrases. So, and the net tag is cut from Simple Stories, Cozy Days. I was trying to figure out where to put it, and then I decided, yeah, I'll just put it there beside the picture. But I'm going to go ahead and put my title down. And it's going to be Family Time, So Much Happy. Which my brother-in-law in the picture, he called the other day and said that he was sick, so he went and got tested for the COVID thing, and he tested positive. So my father-in-law went and got his test and was supposed to get his results yesterday, and then Alex was going to go get him, but he said, no, I just want to stay. So it's like, okay. So Alex's brother is quarantined, and I don't know. Hopefully he stays away from his dad, because his dad is 80 something, I believe. So these die cuts are Jen Hadfield's The Avenue. I was trying to use those and they're just too awkward for me. But I'm like, no. So I'm going to go to the bone stickers. And use those. And the foam stickers are Simple Stories Cozy Days. It's like, nope. So this is where I pull the foam up and like, I need them to lay flat so I can layer them. Oh my goodness, Coco. Hold on. Okay. I shut my door a little bit. What? What? What do you need? Can you wait just a minute? Huh? All right. Good night. So it's just a matter of gluing everything down and deciding what else I can add to just kind of help finish it off. The heck? Cats. That'd be you, Sabrina. Let's see how much tape I have left. So I time my orders. Alright, and then the chipboard flare is let me see. I don't remember the wrong layout, not wrong thing. So the chipboard flare is Paintbrush Studio Days of Splendor, and I'm going to use that and then enamel dots, and that completes my project. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.